In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add timeline view to your Trello boards. If you've ever wanted a clear, date-focused picture of your projects, the timeline view turns your cards into a clean horizontal schedule so you can see what's happening, when, and who's responsible. Start by opening the Trello board you want to visualize. At the very top of the board, you'll see the Views control. This is the icon that opens Trello's different ways of looking at your work. It sits above your lists and cards near the board title. Click that view icon to reveal the menu of available views. From that menu, click Timeline. The board instantly switches from the classic list and card layout to a horizontal timeline. You'll notice a calendar-like grid across the top and your work items laid out below. Each card appears on the date it's scheduled for. If a card has both a start date and a due date, it displays as a bar spanning multiple days. If it only has a due date, you'll see it placed on that specific day. If some cards aren't showing, it likely means they don't have dates yet. Add a due date or a start and due date for those cards on the board, and they'll appear here automatically. The more consistently you use dates, the more valuable the timeline becomes for planning. Once you're in timeline, you can adjust the scale to match your planning horizon. Use the time frame controls to zoom in to days and weeks for detailed scheduling, or zoom out to months and quarters for high-level roadmaps. As plans evolve, you can click and drag a card's bar to shift its dates right on the timeline. This helps you rebalance workload quickly without diving back into each individual card. To make the view even clearer, apply filters to focus on what matters. Filter by member to see a person's workload, by label to isolate a theme or work stream, or by list to concentrate on a specific stage of your process. If you manage dependencies or long-running tasks, make sure you're using start dates so durations are accurate. Short, one-day tasks can stay as date-only items. If you don't see the timeline option in the Views menu, it may be limited by your workspace plan or permissions. Check with your workspace admin or review your plan details. And that's it. Click the view icon at the top, choose Timeline, and you've transformed your board into a with schedule that's easy to scan, easy to adjust, and perfect for communicating plans with your team.